Meaning of have got to.
Have got to.
Have got to.
Have got to.
Have got to. Have got to is a common phrase in English that means must or have to. It is used to express a strong obligation or necessity to do something. The phrase is often used in informal contexts and is frequently contracted to gotta. For example, I have got to finish this report before tomorrow means I must finish this report before tomorrow. This phrase is widely used in both spoken and written English and is an essential part of everyday communication. Overall, have got to emphasizes the urgency and importance of completing a task or following through on an obligation.